Good morning and welcome to this new vlog where we'll be doing a food challenge on the island of Aruba.
And that's for only $20 each. And that's really a challenge because Aruba is known as a really expensive island. So
we don't know if this one is going to be enough.
no, it's gonna really be a challenge.
And worth noting is that I am going to spend $20 and
I'm going to spend $20.
hopefully at the end of this video we'll figure out if we went over budget.
Yes, and have enough. Or we
make it
Yes.
with just 20 for a full day.
Yes.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So guys, we are here with our first stop today and you got a
English muffin, cooked cream cheese, and a latte.
A latte. Let's take a look at the English muffin.
This is my muffin. Looks very good. And my latte coffee. And total it cost $8.
All right,
So I have
so
something left.
that took quite a bit of chunk out of your budget, so you basically have $12 left for
the
the
whole day.
rest of the day. No pressure.
No pressure.
In my case, I got a chocomel. It's a chocolate, typical chocolate Dutch drink. I love it.
Mhm.
And the kids love it also.
Yeah.
And I got a pastici, and this one is quite large.
It's really
I
big
got
one.
a beef pastici.
Mhm.
I don't know my total in dollars, but I know that this one was 4 florins and this one was 275 in florins. So I had a total of 675 in florins. I'll put down here somewhere at the dollar amount, but just more or less it's like $4. So I have a little bit more of a budget for later on.
Yeah.
Now we are gonna get to the eating part.
Yes. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. I'm good.
I'm hungry. So for lunch I buy a cheese bread and a croissant. And to drink I choose orange juice. And this total was around a $4 less. So bon appetit.
And for my lunch, I bought a curry chicken, a small curry chicken. This is a small size at the chupadede, and it was 17 florins, a little bit under $10. But I decided to go for some water, a water bottle that I can refill with tap water. So this one I didn't really need to buy, but since we were on the road, I decided to go for it anyway. And now on to the eating. Bon appetit. Delicious. And in my case, I have quite a large, and even though it's small, it's quite a large portion. I'll probably not be hungry for the rest of the day.
So I choose for dinner a grilled chicken sandwich. I put on garlic sauce. So let me taste. My favorite. So this was about $7 ish, and yeah, I have not much left, but I made it.
So I ordered a kaas soufflé, so a cheese soufflé and a patat oorlog. And for me this is pretty good, especially the fries with sauce. But I'm gonna go for the kaas soufflé first. Very cheesy. Very, very good. And now for some fries, which is fries with peanut sauce and mayo and with some diced onions on it. It's, trust me, it's really, really good. So that concludes our food challenge for today. My total was $20.85. I did go a little bit over the budget. And yours?
It was 1965, so I made it.
You were under the budget. And as far as I'm concerned, in the morning I had the pastici, I was good. The chocomel, I could have gone for something a little bit less. Maybe I could have saved some there. My lunch was actually a little bit too much. And I could have saved also on the water. Yeah, in the evening I had the fries, of course, and the cheese soufflé, right?
Yeah,
And it was good for
Yeah.
me. And yours?
Yeah, I first start with a English muffin, and for lunch I had a croissant and a cheese bread. That was good. Yeah, that's enough because I'm Dutch and we also always eat bread for lunch, so that was my favorite. And in the evening I had chicken bread on a bread. Yeah, that's always good. It was really enough. Yeah, it's almost too much, but yeah.
Yeah, like the video wasn't the idea to show you the fanciest things for $20, just an idea of what
Yeah.
you could possibly get.
Yeah.
I think here and there we could have definitely saved a little bit more, but we went for the things we like.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. My first coffee was expensive. There, I maybe I have to choose something else, but I love my coffee in the morning.
yeah.
So,
We hope you enjoyed this video. We
Yeah.
certainly enjoyed the challenge.
To
It was
making
very
it.
much fun to make it.
yeah, absolutely. It was
Yeah.
really a lot of fun.
And see you in the next
next one.
Thanks for watching. Remember to
Bye-bye.
subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye,
Yes.
folks.
Bye bye.